Yeah, guys, welcome back to the Python programming language series. Today, our program 6. In this Python program, write a Python program to read a number and print its cube. Print its cube. Basically, if you are see, they are telling that we should read a number only. We should read a number only, and we should print the cube. We should print the cube. For example, if I enter 5, if I enter 5, what is its cube? 5 star 5 star 5. 3 times multiplying 5 is known as cube. 125. If I enter 3, 3 star 3 star 3, 27. Am I correct? If I am entering 4, then 6, 6 star 6 star 6, 36 6 are 216. Correct. If it is 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 343 basically. If it is 10, 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. So like this. If I give x, I should give x cube. X cube. This is the question what they give. They are telling that they will give some input. We need to print the cube of it. Cube of it. Correct. So first I need to write what is the input. Let us take x. X be an integer. X be an integer. Next, what is the output? I should print the cube. Cube of x. Yeah, am I correct? Cube of x, that is output. What is the process? What is the process? I should multiply x by 3 times. Yeah, am I correct? Now, how we'll do this? How we will do this? Just see. I think it's a very small problem only. No need to write pseudo code also. We'll directly write Python code. First, we need to take input. Am I correct? So x is equals to, they told it is an integer. So that int of input of. So basically, we are taking an input. Next, we need to process it. What we should process? We should find the cube of it. Cube means x star x, right? So that x star x star x cube of it, or else. So okay, I found somehow I found the cube. Next, what I should do? I should store this, right? So that I'm storing in C. Some variables you can use whatever the variable you want. For example, result. For example, something whatever the thing you want you can use. Okay, okay. Next, what I should do? I should print C. Like this, this can be done. This is done. Okay. For the 3, it should print 27. For the 5, it should print 125. For the 4, it should print 4 ports are 16 and 16 into 4, 64. For 6, it should print 216. For 7, it should print 343. For 10, it should print 1000. So, if you write a program, if it satisfies for all the things, for this input, it should get this output. For this input, you should get this output. For all these inputs, for all these inputs, if you are able to get these outputs, then your program is correct. Some people can tell, if some people remember, instead of this x star x, they will write, instead of this, they will write x star 3 power operator. This is also correct. Both the things are correct. I am following this way, you are following this way. Okay, there may be number of ways. This is a small problem, so that we have only two ways. If it is a big problem, we have some 5 to 6 ways. You can use whatever the logic you got into your brain. Clear? Now let's write the program and verify whether we are getting the same output for all these cases or not. First, we'll open. 1 minute, let me delete all this. First, I will read a number, right? So let it be x is equals to int of input of. Am I clear? First I am reading a number. Next, what I should do, I will store this x value in x star x. C is equals to x star x. Next, I am printing x. Sorry, C, right? I should print result. So let us check. So first I am entering 3. What is 3 into 3 into 3? 27. Let us check. 27. Perfect. It is working. Very good. Next, what about 1 to 5? We should get 125. 125. It's correct. Next, what about 10? 10,000. It's perfect. We are executing. We are able to do for all the cases. Now my program is correct. Now, for making it good, I am writing, please enter a number. Next, in the result, I am printing the cube value of it is C. Okay, 1 minute. I'm giving one space. Now see. Now see. Now enter a number. I am entering 5. The cube value of it is 125. For example, if I enter 10, the cube value of it is 1000. Is it good? Correct, right? Now let's see one more logic which we have talked before. X star star 3. Let us check x star star 3 how it is going to print. X star star 3. Now enter a number. I am giving 5 as a number. It is slow, I think. No, I don't know the reason. It is slow. See, the value is 125. Am I clear? Next, we'll do one more check. I am running again. Now I am giving for 10. Now it should print 1000. So both the logics, there are different ways. This is one way. I told you the two ways now itself. So like that, there are number of possible ways for the big problem. This is very small problem, so that we don't have scope. I got two approaches. I explained the two approaches. So your code may be anything, my code may be anything. If input and output both are matching, then we both are correct. If input output are not matching, then whose input and output are not matching, they are wrong. Okay, clear? I hope you people understand this video. If you really like the video, please give me a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Comment that I understood this video. It will be really helpful for me for my next upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching.